So if you want to grow your business beyond yourself, you need to start thinking about business systems and structures, and in our context, workflows. Let me give you an example. If you are an editor and you edit with Lightroom, there's the process that you follow to edit your pictures. For example, how you do that management in terms of folders, then how you import your images, then how you cull the images, how you color code them, how you edit them, and maybe there is a preset that you use, and how you export them to the clients and deliver them to the clients. All these processes, if you do them the same way over and over again, you can record them to something we call a workflow sheet. And that workflow sheet, you can then give more details, and they will form what we call procedures. And finally, you will have something called a standard operating procedure of your editing workflow. Now, this will help you when you get other editors and other creatives that come into your studio, and you'll just hand them over your SOPs, what you call standard operating procedures. And especially if it's about editing, your editors will follow the exact step that you follow, and they will produce the same standard of work that you produce even when you're not there. If you build these systems, then you will standardize your work. You will not be worried about whether your employees or your will provide the same quality of work, but you'll be sure because you have given them procedures and workflows that they can follow on how to deliver those images. So think about creating workflows and procedures, and think about creating systems in your business using this kind of process. Anything that you repeat over and over again the same way, record it into a workflow and to a procedure, and it will help you grow your business immensely.